Hey guys, today I'm gonna record video tour on my class's world. I don't own the world, so I can't show the whole thing, but this is closed to only people who are in my class, and there's a password for it. And yeah, so that's the answer it. I just did it and I didn't want to show it. You guys can peek into this world, so I'm just gonna do a tour. So public bot for famous classmates, haha. So, I don't know. There's some stuff over here. There's some stuff. Someone's got some stuff. You can see the stuff. And then there's a famous bot which is signed by famous people like Gloom, Kelvin Till, and Coco. That's really great gems over here. Okay, so we start the first one with Redisms. Pretty good. Yeah. Really weird. So this is my room. That's the blue, and then there's a holy dot. There's blue sword. Yeah! Crystal stained glass. All that kind of stuff. And I guess I can go to the next one. So that will be Brian 2602. There are not people in, but that is where this is. And then this is for Roseanne Zero. Battle Universe area with the King of Stone. This area I'm not sure who is this. But so I guess today's short will end with in this hangout corner. So I guess thanks for watching. See ya soon, and you guys are expecting a fighter update. Not anytime soon, but yeah. And I'm also gonna do a 1 world update for the 10 subs, and I'm also gonna do a what's that? Like a full pinball giveaway and a full seat pack giveaway for 60 views. I think for now it's still 40. But yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. See ya soon. Bye bye time. Bye.